Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to unblock contact on Android. So before starting the video I want you guys to watch this video until the very end so you don't make any kind of mistakes, and make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all I need to open up the call application on Android phone, and then at the top right you need to tap on settings option, and it will open up the settings for you. And here you can see we have this blocked numbers. Okay, so just tap on this one and it will show you a list of the block numbers that you have blocked. Okay, so now in order to basically unblock a number you just need to press this cross icon next to the number, and that contact will be unblocked from your Android phone, and they will be able to send you calls and text messages again. So that's how to unblock contact on Android. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.